Hey, want to move all your screenshots and videos from a microSD card back to your Nintendo Switch system memory? This is useful if you want faster access to media or your microSD card is full and you need space for new captures. I'll show you the step-by-step process of how to do it. First, make sure the SD card is properly inserted on your Switch. Then from the home menu, select System Settings. After that, scroll down to Data Management. Now on the right side, find Manage Screenshots and Videos. Select it. After that, choose the microSD card option over here. Select Copy all screenshots and videos to system memory. Now the transfer will start and all your screenshots and videos will be sent to your system memory from your microSD card. If this helped, then hit like, subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tips, and comment which games media you're moving first. And I'll see you in the next video.